Hi guys, I just want to show you my portfolio project and the tools I'm using for this portfolio project. It is Framer. So Framer, it is a good front-end design application to design your web systems, your apps. And it is very convenient when you're using Figma because you can take your Figma design and after designing it, then you can transfer it to Framer. And in Framer, then you can just cut all the rough edges and make it a decent design. Okay, so in this project, it is my CV actually. In my CV, in the hero section, it is a little information about me. I'm a senior business analyst, data analyst, and UX designer. Then it just here has a tagline here. I am a versatile professional with 7 years of experience. Then it's view projects button. Then here we have the 3D animation. The tool I used was Spline, and here's an image of an Illustrator. Then it is my summary of all about me, what I can do, and the tools I can use. And we have my qualifications. Then also there's a 3D animation which I use Spline to do. I will show you what is Spline if you do not know it. Then we have a section here for my skills. Then frequently asked questions: who is Puseletso Marabo? Which skills does he have? Which tools can he use? What is his employment history? And Framer is quite similar to Figma, the interface, how to use it. As you see here, if I just want to close this information here, just say close, then you see it is closed, all neat. Let me just quickly give you a view of what is Spline, because I kept on speaking about Spline. Here is Spline. Then you'll see that 3D here, this 3Ds. So this is what I use, the tool that I use to create my 3D animations. Okay, going back to Framer. Then let's run this CV web. Before I just also created some breakpoints. So we have a desktop, we have a tablet size, then we have a phone. So if you are viewing my CV over the phone, then this is the view that you will see. If you are using a tablet, this is the view that you will see. And if you are using a desktop, this is the view that you will see. Then let's run it. So when we run it, as you can see, those 3D effects just for that interactive fun element into your designs, then the Illustrator. Then you can click view projects, then this will redirect you to my LinkedIn page. And if you want to contact me, then you click on contact. It will show you my information, Puseletso Maraba. Then my email, it is puseletsomaraba@gmail.com. Then my projects are on LinkedIn. And the reason for this, then I have multiple projects. Then I also have data analyst where I'm using my Power BI. Then you will see those projects. Then clicking on home, we go back to my project, to my main screen, I mean to say. Profile summary. My expertise include requirements gathering, executing workshops, system training, facilitation. So when you go through my LinkedIn, you see all this information is backed up. I try as much as possible to put, proof of work. So these are my qualifications, certifications, courses, and training skills. Then, as you can see, Figma, Power BI, data flows, essential training on LinkedIn's. Then the skills, SDL, C, Agile methodology, Scrum framework, user story, user journeys, Google Sheets, Google Forms, how to use them. Then we have that nice interaction that you use with your Spline tool. Then the frequently asked questions. Who is Puseletso Maraba? There it is. Which skills does he have? There it is. He's a senior business analyst, UX, UI designer, data analyst, training, facilitation. Which tools can you use? You can use Power BI, Excel, Figma, Framer, Visio for your processes. employment history. Then when you click here, so this will also be in the description of this video, so you can just click on the link, then you can access this web page. Framer, it is that convenient. So after you've done your design in Framer, then you click on publish. Then if I made some changes, then I can say update. Then it is updating, says updated. Then you click on this link. Then it will take you to that page. So here's our web app with all that fun animation. Look at the flow. So then we go to the web page. Look at how nicely it flows. That's fun. That's fun. That's fun. Creating that interactive funness in it. I haven't enjoyed looking at a CV like this, but yeah, here we are because of good tools like Framer, Spline, and Figma. So yes, this is my portfolio project. Thank you guys for watching the video, and in the description again to just play around with it. Thank you guys.